So, 3 secrets that I'm gonna unveil with you guys in this video that you can use to do better in your Ibdp, Igcse, SAT, A-level exams that are coming up very soon. And these tips are applicable to any curricula, and I've come up with these secrets, tips, whatever you wanna call it, after seeing lots of different kinds of students in Hong Kong and online. So the first one is going to be, and these are not in any order of priority, these are in random order. The first one is what I call try a few examples first. Try a few examples. So this means when you see a new topic, let's say normal distribution or binomial expansion, try a few examples first before understanding the question. Lots of you guys are trying to understand the topic from the very first example. That's not possible. You got to do a few examples first before becoming proficient in this topic. And if you don't understand the first question that you solve, it's okay, move to the next question, try the next question, try a few more questions. I guarantee you, once you do 10 problems, once you look through the solutions of 10 problems, you'll be comfortable with any topic that you see. Normal distribution, binomial probability, statistics, calculus. Alright? So the second tip. Second one is what they call math is a skill, it's not a talent. Skill, not talent. It doesn't take to be a genius to do well in math exam in Ibdp. All you got to do is solve problems, practice, ask questions from your teacher, from your tutor, and by gaining skills you will do better well in the exam. Talent is something that I call, for example, you play basketball, you're tall, naturally tall, or you can sing. Those things require talent. Mathematics, trust me, does not require any talent. It just requires hard work and many hours. But it's not easy. No one is saying it's easy, but it's not. It can be mastered. As long as you practice your skill and you don't give up and you work hard, you study hard, and you also got to believe that it's possible. There are millions and millions of students out there getting good grades, good results in mathematics. So why can't you? You absolutely can. The fact that you're watching this video makes you already ahead of other students. So I hope this point was useful. And the last one, but not the least one, is this is the whole reason I call my academy, my teaching, Steps Math Academy. And the name lies behind this principle that I use dearly to my heart and to my teaching philosophy, is to do every problem step by step. So it's step by step. Now over the years I've seen a lot of students lose marks because they like to skip the steps. They like to take a short way, do it quickly, save time. Now I understand why that happens, because time is limited on the exams. But if you do that, there's a very high chance that you'll get the question wrong. And it happens with my students, it happens with my friends when I was in high school, it happens with everyone. So, but please try to control, to manage your steps. Don't skip the steps, but also try to do it faster. And you can actually handle both. You can do both. It's not mutually exclusive. Step by step is the #1 reason students lose marks. And if you don't skip the steps, if you do it one by one, then you can guarantee yourself almost no mistakes. And what I mean by this is, for example, x squared plus is equal to 2 squared plus 5 squared. You might directly say, oh, let's say 29. And although it's correct, I would like you to do it this way. Right, 4 plus 25, right? Because 2 squared is 4, 5 squared is 25, and then after that write 25. So I hope this was useful. Please like the button if you found it useful, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye bye.